How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYang. It has finally begun. We are doing some white bass backwater fishing, right? Fishing the slack water. It's quiet, nothing around. So hopefully we stick one or two and put on the show. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the water. Yeah, I brought mine too. Yeah. There we go. Yo, first white bass in a long time. Oh, it feels so good. We meet again. Look at this. We meet again. White bat. The search has begun, guys. It's been 3-4 weeks of nada. Finally got him. Yo. Yeah. Huh? I think I was just right there. But that group boy pla. Yeah, I snaked like twice. Oh crap. Oh, got another one. Big one. Oh shit, no wonder. Yeah, these guys. These are the ones you want to keep right here. What? Psych. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice fish. Yo. Finally, we're on the white bass grind, guys. Alright guys, so we caught our second white bass here. Nice. These are the small, these are the male. They're not quite ready to spawn out yet, but they're moving up to feed. But these are the good years right here. Nice backwater, calm, slack river, you know, fishing the laydowns that are moving up to feed, and ambush the small minnows and the shiners that are moving up also. So yeah, it's pretty cool. They fight so hard, they're so clean, they're cold water. It's just so good to be back. Oh yeah. So just a quick talk here. I am using the Leviathan. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but nope, it's not gonna focus. Anyways, there he goes. I'm using the Leviathan 2-inch. I'll leave the links down below. It's my favorite swim bait for white bass. The bait fish here are relatively small, so you want to start off small first and, you know, upsize if you want to. But other than that, that's what we're using. Shallow water, 116 pounds I believe. Dick Smith jig head. It's pretty light. It's more like a crappie jig head. And we're just slow rolling it on top of the water. We'll just pick it up. Jeez. Gosh. Alright, we did a little hiking. No bite, so we're gonna hang out here. Wait for the white bass to move up. About a little break, so we should be back by now. Huh? Already? Dang! I don't think you like me anymore.
I think it's just a spot.
Huh?
I think it's just a spot.
Yeah, they keep shifting. Got one. Yeah. Into the bucket. bite than 2 inch or 3 inch or something like that. 2 inch, yeah. Dang. Set the hook too hard up. Yeah, mama. Yep. This white bass is huge. It looks like a hybrid. Oh, it looks like a hybrid. Guys, but all hopes is lost. Look how big this thing is. Oh, dude. This, at least 15, 16 inches. Oh my gosh. Look at that fish. It's amazing. Holy cow. Yes! This thing is humongous. Off the swim bait. Look at that thing. Look at how big that thing is. Holy cow. Just hanging out in the midst of the laydown. Big old female. Oh jeez. Yes! Hell yeah. God.
Yep, I got you. Chocolate,
How big is it? Sheesh. Alright. I gotta calm down. That was a nice fat white bass that I was looking for. It's 3 weeks just grinding and looking for that thing. Finally found one. Thing's at least 15, 16 inches. I'm not even like exaggerating. And for this river too, oh, that's nice. Yes, never give up. Little guy. Keep it? Yeah. Alright. Deep fry. Hand size. It's just a male, so it's fine. Jeez. Small ones. Parents will like it. Just males. We'll keep them. Got another one. Oh, it's a fighter. Jeez. Oh, it's a nice one. Yeah. Get enough for me, boys. Ooh. There you go. Nice white bass. Look at that. So mean. Love it. Just chomping on the white swim bait there. Just inhaling it. So cool. Jeez, he devoured his bait. Oh, my swim bait. There he goes. Dang, destroyed my swim bait. Oh my gosh, that guy smacked it. Jeez, that's a nice one. Oh, decent. Not giant, but still a nice fish. Dude just came out of nowhere, just wrecked it. Alright guys, so that's a wrap. That was awesome just to come back out here where it's calm and isolated, fishing for some nice, look at that big one right there. Big old bucket bender white bass, my brother Chow. And it was just so cool just to come back out here in shallow water, just throw swim bait for these big things. So for sure I'll be back out here. I don't know when yet, but I will be back out here. Show the camera, Chow.
Look at this.
Woo! That's a freaking tanker, dude. Jeez. So yeah, it feels awesome just to come out here and just crush them like that. We out here for like 5 hours and missed a ton, threw back a bunch of little ones. It was cool. Off of swim bait, and we'll sure be back out here. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys on the water.